As part of today's discussion, we will be going through one of the most asked questions in data engineer interview. When you design any data platform, which file do you opt for? As part of today's topic, we will compare Avro file format with Parquet file format. To start with, let's discuss on the storage. Both file formats are a great choice for your ETL pipelines. However, the decision to incorporate one or the other into your data integration ecosystem will be guided by your business requirements. For instance, Avro is a better option if your requirements entail writing vast amounts of data without retrieving it frequently. This is because Avro is a row-based storage file format, and these types of file formats deliver the best performance with write-heavy transactional workloads. On the other hand, if your use case requires you to analyze petabytes of data without sacrificing performance, then a column-based file format, such as Parquet, is your best bet, since column-based file formats naturally deliver unparalleled performance with read-heavy analytical querying of data. As far as ETL is concerned, you will find that Avro outperforms Parquet. This is because Parquet is designed for querying only subsets of specific columns instead of querying entire data from all the columns. Second comparison metrics is Schema Evolution. Let's say you have an Avro file, and for some reason, you need to change its schema. What would you do? Simple. You'll rewrite the file with a new schema. Now let's say there are terabytes of Avro files, and you need to change their schemas. What happens now? Will you rewrite all the files one by one every time you want to change the schema? Probably not. This is where Schema Evolution comes in. Schema Evolution can be defined as a feature or the ability of a database management system that enables you to make changes in the current schema to cater to the data that changes over time. In simple terms, it enables you to modify the schema to accommodate new data while ensuring its backward compatibility with the old data's schema. Essentially, it allows you to read the entire data together as if there was a single schema. It is frequently used with the append and overwrite functions to automatically add new columns. While column-oriented data file formats, including Parquet, also support Schema Evolution, modifying the schema in these data file formats is expensive. That's because any change in the schema will require reprocessing of entire data sets as opposed to record by record in row-based data. Moreover, Parquet's Schema Evolution is not as mature as Avro's, as it only allows for an appending schema. In contrast, Avro is more sophisticated and is capable of handling changes in missing, altered, and new fields. Third comparison metrics is file compression. One of the main benefits of using big data file formats is a significant reduction in storage requirements and, consequently, costs. This benefit is achieved via multiple compression methods that both Avro and Parquet support. However, the difference lies in how the compression is performed and how efficient it is. In general, column-based storage file formats compress data more efficiently compared to their row-based counterparts. So, if you're looking to make the most of your ETL pipelines and target storage systems in terms of efficiency, Parquet is a better choice. Parquet's columnar storage allows for better compression, as the data in a column is usually more homogeneous. It supports various compression codecs like Snappy, gzip, and LZO. Avro, while supporting similar codecs, doesn't achieve the same level of compression due to its row-based nature. Next comparison metrics is read and write. Avro's row-based storage is beneficial when you need to read or write entire records at once. It's faster for write-heavy workloads, as it doesn't require the computation of column statistics. Parquet, being a columnar format, shines in read-heavy workloads. It allows Spark to read only the necessary columns for a query, skipping over the rest. This selective reading can significantly speed up read operations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to hear update on common interview questions.